Hi traders, if you are shorting the market now or have any idea of shorting, please don't do that. Markets are not going anywhere but upside. That's what the chart and data tells us. We will in this video see where the markets are headed and try to mint some extra money. That's why all of us are here. Most of the time I take non-directional strategies like straddles and strangles. But we also sell naked calls and puts, so we are kind of giving some importance to price action. I used to post a video on regular basis, but due to personal commitment this chain was broken. So we will try to post video on regular basis, and that's how I think we can grow this channel. While Nifty gapped up by 25 points at 15,773, it was not able to sustain the gap up and we saw some huge selling, and within 20 minutes it touched yesterday's low. Now, since it has not breached yesterday's low, then we can expect the Nifty to move on the upside in coming days. Today's low was 15,680 and so 15,700 levels could be a good support on coming days. And of course, we will have to see the global cues. If we see have some positive global cues, then we may go to 16,000 levels. That is the lifetime high. Earlier we believed that 15,000 could be a good resistance since there was a channel formed between 14,200 levels and 15,000. Since this channel had broken, we can see an excellent rally towards 15,700 levels. That's the beauty of price action. This breakout alone helped us to do some good trades. The other interesting thing is OI data. If you see the chart, this is a good amount of there is a good amount of OI increase in 15,800 calls and on weekly options. And if you see the monthly option, we can see a OI increase in 15,500 put and 16,000 call. So we can assume this is a good range, and if you are a risk taker, you can sell both 15,000 put and 16,000 call or do a strangle, and that's what we have done. And if you see the Bank Nifty, almost all the stocks in Bank Nifty ended in red. It was because of Bank Nifty that dragged the market at the beginning of trading session. If we had some support from Bank Nifty, this day we would have seen another lifetime high. HDFC Bank was down by 1.2%, SBI was down by 1%. Not a single stock in Bank Nifty was green, all was in red. Despite all this, Nifty was able to sustain yesterday's low, and I am sure we may hit a new lifetime high sooner or later. It was the mid cap and small cap which helped today for the markets to sustain, thanks to buying interest in IT, FMCG and healthcare majors. The last few days are one of the best days for option sellers. India VIX has drastically come down, and today morning at one point touched 13.5 levels. I'm sure all option sellers would have made good money. Even had you put straddles and strangles or hedged positions like Ironfly, you would have made good money. From 2nd of June till today, that's 5 trading sessions. Market has never moved anywhere. These are the times for option seller like us to make some good profit. And even going forward, I don't think we are going to see any major moves as India VIX is in 15, 14 levels. So that's usually normal, right? Before 2020, this COVID situation, India VIX used to be around 9, 10, 8. I have also seen 8. So that was the best time where you can trade, you can sell, whatever you sell will go in profit. So those are the best times, and I can see we are going back to those days. So we are bullish and we expect the markets to inch higher if we get support from the global cues. And this is not going to be a big video, this is just a short video. And since last 2 weeks, this is the second video. I have not been able to put videos because due to some personal issues. We cannot continue like this. We have to regularly update our channel so that our channel grows bigger and better. So that's why this video may be short, or this video may be not very much of very informative, but we will try to upgrade and we will try to post videos every day which is of some use to you. some one way or another you will get you will benefit from these videos. Happy trading and always hedge your position. Take care and goodbye.